Horns on a helmet, sharp as the blade of the silver sword. Face worn from the unrest, fire filled his eyes straight from his inner core. Chiyou and the shaman, prepared for the upcoming war. With the Zhao Shi and the spirits of the ancestors. Oh, hey! The Battle of Zhuolu. Woo! Bloody days and endless nights. The warriors fought on wind horses and indigo skies. Chiyou summoned the fog to blind the invaders' eyes. In hopes Hmong would survive. Survive. Oh, hey. Here we are, and anywhere we go, no mountain too high, no valley too low. No, Nyafter na lo muto, Hmong, Beidou Shilu. Here we are, and everywhere we go, truth be told, our story unfold. Nyafter na lo muto, Hmong, you will find a way home. Continued with heart and an iron will against Huangdi, the emperor and the demon dragon of hell. They struck, he struck, blood spilled and spilled. Many clans fell, but the Hmong would not yield and refused to fail. Huangdi, the emperor and the demon dragon are revealed. The dark desire to Huaxia held, the dark kingdom prevailed. Bloody hell. The shaman sang songs to heal the world and the children of the war. The heavens rained tears for years. The spirits of the storm born and mourn. May Hmong May Hmong May Yashi May Yadir Zalbunge. Never lose hope. Huaxia, Vivia, Hmong live on and on and on and on. Gapwa, Bull, Beida,